Getting in news now that the Income Tax Department has issued a statement on searches on actor Sonu Sood in the tax evasion case. The Income Tax Department, remember, has been conducting searches and going ahead with seizure operations at various premises of Sonu Sood. Total 28 premises spread over Mumbai, Lucknow, Kanpur, Jaipur, the national capital, and Gurgaon have been covered in the search operation so far. During the course of search at the premises of the actor and his associates, we are getting to know, as per the Income Tax Department, incriminating evidence pertaining to tax evasion have been found. The main modus operandi followed by the actor has been to route his unaccounted income in the form of bogus unsecured loans for many bogus entities. Investigations so far have revealed use of 20 such entries, and Shravan Sen, our senior associate editor, is joining us with more details. The IT department has issued a statement. Searches have been going on at many locations connected to Sonu Sood. But what are the key takeaways if we follow this very closely, Shravan?
Well, in fact, the searches have entered the fourth day. As we speak, searches are still being carried out in Mumbai as well as in Jaipur. A total of 28 locations where these searches are carried out, which includes cities like Lucknow, Kanpur, Jaipur, as well as Gurgaon. As far as the tax evasion amount is concerned, it is roughly about 20 crore rupees is what we are given to understand. That's the preliminary assessment that is basically being done by the Income Tax Department, where they are saying that there's tax evasion of almost 20 crores. Apart from that, the seizures that have essentially been made so far, cash of about 1.8 crore rupees has already been seized during the course of the search, and 11 lockers have essentially been placed under prohibitory order. Now, it is not just the premise belonging the actor, but also some of the partners during the business, their premises, their properties have also basically come under the scrutiny. The book of accounts have also come under the scrutiny. Essentially, the Income Tax Department is saying that they've come across through incriminating evidence pertaining to tax evasion and irregularities in the books of accounts of not just the actor, but some of the partners of acting solutions.
Yes, well, the statement reads that there have been instances where professional receipts have also been camouflaged as loans in the books of accounts for the purpose of evasion of tax. But the main point of contention here being, Shravan, that these bogus loans have been used for making investments and acquiring properties. The total amount of tax evaded, unearthed so far, amounts to more than 20 crore rupees.
Well, as far as the modus operandi is concerned, what the Income Tax Department in the statement has essentially said is that the main modus operandi followed by the actor had been to route his unaccounted income in the form of bogus unsecured loans from many bogus entities. Investigations so far have revealed use of 20 such entities, the providers of which on examination have accepted on oath to have given bogus accommodation entries. Just to simplify what I just read out from the statement is that this is a direct allegation against the actor where perhaps he's deliberately, that's what the Income Tax Department is alleging at this point in time, that the actor deliberately had made some false entries in the book of accounts of companies that have been linked to him. But important to point out here is that there has been no response as of now from the actor himself, barring one tweet that was put out on the very day when the searches were carried out. So one will certainly have to wait and watch as to what the actor has to say, because these are some serious allegations that have now been leveled by the Income Tax Department.
Yes, no reaction so far, and this is a big allegation that has been made by the Income Tax Department that the total amount of tax evaded unearthed so far amounts to more than 20 crore rupees as searches still continue. Thank you, Shravan, for getting us those details.